Okay, so this is Avenida de Guimara, and in case you're not sure, there's a second reminder and there's a third reminder. And basically what they're doing right here is they're doing some construction. So they're... Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're going to get notified of other videos that I do. So they apparently moved all the street signs. And if you're kind of curious where I am, I'm in Taipa and I'm near Central Park. There's an apartment called Nova Park right there. New Park, Nova. There's a Portuguese word. And this is kind of these walls of apartments right there. There's also walls of apartments over there. And a garden right here. So that's basically where I am right now. And like much of Macau, there's lots of construction everywhere, and I don't know exactly what they're doing. But they have these huge things that I guess are going to go underground and later, I guess. So we'll see. There's a book drop right there, a library, and you can go all the way down here and you can see there's the signs from down there. So we'll see what this construction is going to be. This is the book drop. I have this camera where I can zoom in on things, so I'll zoom in a little bit. Book drop. And a park down there as well. And some of these beautiful trees. They're everywhere in Macau. Little rows of them. Actually quite photogenic, really. So I don't have my GoPro, which is more stabilized. So instead I'm using this other camera. And we're just going to follow this along a little bit. And it looks like Guimara, it looks like the whole street is kind of under construction. I mean, there's still traffic moving, but you can see over on the other side, there's also more of this on this side too. Construction on both sides. So I don't know what they're building. You can see a crane right there. It feels like Taipa's always under construction. But let's see what this says. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. It's like there may be a pipeline or something like that that's gonna go underneath. So here we go. So this is Central Park in here. And lots of people kind of walking their dogs as well. I'm just going to zoom in on, so now you can see this nice walkway as well, and the park right there. And this is going to intersect with Rua de Guimara. Oh, there's the walking right there. It's kind of cool. Walking a dog. Kind of capturing a little bit of life here. People walking over there. More construction all the way down that street too. So, okay. We're gonna cross Rua de Guimara right here. You can see this kind of wall of apartments. And it all centers around a big swimming pool right in the middle. So we're gonna walk continually down this road and we're gonna see what we can see. All construction. So I think I might just end it right here, but you can kind of get a feel for what's going on here. I don't know, maybe they're expanding this road. And straight ahead is Zhuhai. That's China over there. That building marks China. It feels quite close, but it's actually not. That tiered one. Okay, we'll finish right there.